Morning. So, because of the rain yesterday, what we've done today, we've dropped onto another job that we're going to start shortly. We're going to put the foundations in, dig the holes, put the rods in. Customers cleared the area, there were some bushes here before. So this one's going to be 2.5 by 4 metres. It's going to have French doors and a tilt and turn window there, and it's going to be clad in Seadrill weatherboard. So if you've not watched these before, what we do, we dig us holes out there, looking at about 500 deep, and then this rod drops into the hole like that. There's a washer plate on it there to stop it driving through the concrete, and then that'll be filled with concrete, and there'll be like 50 odd kilo of concrete in each hole. Garden office this size, 2.5 by 4. Other companies have been putting it on flags. It's not the way to do it. You need a good foundation for a good build, and that's what we always do. So we're going to knock up a bit of concrete now and get these rods in the ground. It's as I said, it's a 4 metre by 2.5 metre. It's going to be a garden office. We've put 19 concrete piles in there with our threaded bar in. What we'll do when we come back then, we'll lower the nuts down, level it all off and put a shoes in and put a timber frame on. So it's a proper solid base is that. There's like 50 kilo of concrete in every hole, 19 holes. It's nearly a ton of concrete I suppose. Gonna be a nice little office tucked away inside the garden. So if you keep watching you'll see it built. This is going to be the next job we're on. We dropped on here last week when it was raining to put the rods in. What we've been back now, we've been back and we've adjusted all our locking nuts, so all the nuts are level round. Metal shoe goes on which will carry the base frame. So we'll be back on this one on Wednesday. So it's 4 metres by 2.5 metres, 3 metre French bifold doors and the tilt and turn windows to that side. It'll be clad in Seadrill cement weatherboard, and that's it basically. So as long as I've got myself away from this nightmare hell of a bathroom, we'll be back on this one, and that'll be Wednesday morning. We're back on this now. So it's 4 metres by 2.5 metres. It's going to be a garden office where all the timber's just arrived. We're away from the bathroom hell, so we're going to crack on with what we do best, and we're going to get the base in now. The base is in now. We've put our 4x3 all the way around, treated, that's bolted down, so that's secured into the floor. Like I said, there's about 50 kilo of concrete on each pile, 19 piles in there. And then our base is treated timber, 4x2 treated and 3x4 treated as well. We've put some slate lats to stop the insulation falling through, and now we're going to insulate it and get the floor on. Right, rain's got better of us, so we're going to sack it off for today. We've put us 100mm insulation in floor. We're going to leave it at that and come back tomorrow. We had a half day yesterday because of the rain. We're back here today now, it's Thursday. We're going to put this floor down. We've put this breathable membrane down to stop any moisture coming up. We're now putting our 22mm Ergo Protect chipboard flooring down. It's best on the market. We use the only best quality stuff here. And then we're going to start on the walls just after. Floor's down now. We just wait for that glue to go off. Take another 5 or 10 minutes to go off, and then we can scrape the glue off the floor. What we're going to do now, we're going to crack on with walls, get the walls built and get the frame up, and then we'll start cladding the walls. We're finished for the day now. We thought we were going to get rained off, but we've managed to stick it out. Floor's gone down, walls have gone up. We've clad the walls in OSB. We've put the roof on, we've put the steel in to carry the roof over the doorway. So there'll be 3 metre bifold doors there. There'll be a tilt and turn window there. So it's a 4 metre by 2.5 metre. It's large enough for 2 people to work in an office. If you want one, give us a buzz, message me, and I'll drop you a quote. Thanks.